Okay, so let's test the Gyroo II again, now that I've got some new bearings from Malcolm. I say bearings, the whole centre part there from Malcolm, so hopefully it'll be better today. It is a bit windy, a bit blustery today, but don't have anything. What's going on here? Don't have anything because I've got a throttle cut on it. Won't work. That's better. Ah, there we go. Yeah, it's kind of that way. It's a bit windy today. I've got that sound that I should have from the blades. Seems to be flying better, doesn't it? Seems as though my big problem was, in fact, the blades. Not the blades, sorry, the bearings. Now it's quite blustery today and switching. However, yeah, I'm able to turn this properly now. There you go, look at that. I couldn't do that before. No way could I do that before. It would have gone in. And I can hear that distinctive noise that you should hear from auto gyro blades. I wasn't getting that noise before. So all that time crashing and bashing and God knows what, it was the damn bearings. That seems better. I would like to fly this when the wind's not as turbulent and it's better. It probably would fly better. I'm feeling more confident flying it actually as it is, but quite blustery today. I wasn't able, there was no way I could do that before. No way I could do a turn like that before. Yeah, that's flying okay. Well, better land on. I don't know how much battery I've got left. Next time round I'm going to land because I'm not sure how much battery I've got left. Don't you dare. I hate it when that happens, but anyway, it's down safe. Hopefully we'll get a day when it's not quite so blustery, but that flew a hell of a lot better. So it goes to show if the bearings aren't working for you, then it's no go. But you need that distinctive noise, and hopefully you guys heard that noise, and that's what I was getting. So all good. Right, cheers guys, see you again.